Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by preparing both devices. Make sure Android Studio and platform tools are installed on your PC, and you've enabled developer options and USB debugging on the phone. Once done, plug the phone in just long enough to accept the PC's ADB key prompt. This authorizes later wireless connections. Then run a DB devices to confirm. Next, note your phone's IP from Wi-Fi settings. You'll use that address to switch from USB to wireless deployment in the next steps. Now you'll toggle ADB to network mode on the PC. Execute a dbtc pip 5555 while the phone is still authorized. Once the command returns, unplug the USB cable and immediately run a db connect phone IP 5555 using the IP you recorded. Make sure both devices are on the same Wi-Fi network, otherwise the connection will fail. When a DB devices lists your phone's IP, you're ready. Then open Android Studio, pick your app module, and select the wireless device as the deployment target for builds and with the wireless ADB link active, build and run from Android Studio as you normally would. Use run or apply changes to deploy quickly. If installation stalls, run a DB disconnect then a DB connect phone IP 5555 to re-establish the session. This often clears stale sockets. If you experience intermittent failures, make sure phone and PC share the same router and Wi-Fi band, disable VPNs, and check firewall rules. Sometimes rebooting the phone's Wi-Fi.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.